Welcome back everyone. I've got a great yogurt recipe to show you today. It's going to be nut-free and dairy-free, and best of all, it's super easy to do and it's really cost-effective as well. I'm going to be using the Fibre blender and the Pure Plus yogurt maker to make a sunflower seed yogurt. To make this yogurt, you'll need to soak 2 cups of sunflower seeds in water for at least 8 hours with a little bit of salt mixed in. This has been sitting here now overnight, so it's ready to be rinsed off. And I'm going to blend the seeds with some water in the Fibre blender. Add the sunflower seeds to the blender jug along with 3 cups of filtered water. Blend on smoothie mode for around 50 seconds or until completely smooth. Make sure you've sterilised your yogurt jar and a whisk before you continue on. Pour the liquid into the sterile yogurt jar and then add 1 sachet of dairy-free yogurt culture along with 1 teaspoon of white sugar. Give it a stir with your whisk, and then you can put the lid back on the yogurt jar. Fill up the water bath to the tall line indicator, which is located at the back of the base, and then replace the yogurt maker lid. Set the temperature on the machine to 38 degrees Celsius and the time to 15 hours, and then hit confirm. Once the fermentation time has finished, place the yogurt in the fridge for at least 6 hours or overnight to chill. You may notice some separation, so feel free to give it a whisk to create a uniform texture. So there's another homemade yogurt recipe to add to your repertoire. Dairy-free, nut-free, and super cost-effective. It has a great earthy flavour to it as is, but if you do want to sweeten it, you can do that, and there are some great tips on how to do that on the blog post, so make sure you give that a read. Give this one a go for yourself at home and let us know what you think in the comment section below. And if you want to see more of our recipes to come, then hit subscribe. If you enjoyed this one today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back really soon with another great recipe.